This is the easiest way to frame out your window and keep your house looking sexy. This project will be done with all 1x4s and a 1x5 for the ledge. This is a perfect way to frame out some new windows. First thing you gotta do is measure the 1x5 and figure out how far you wanna go and how big you want the piece to stick out. I did 3.5 inches overhang on each side and about 1.25 inches on the front. You gotta shim it up and make sure it's level because drywall is never ever straight. Then you're gonna measure the rails on either side. It's very self-explanatory. You're just gonna go up to the other board. Again, you gotta accommodate for the reveal for either side. You know this drywall isn't straight, so you gotta scribe it. That's how you do it. Put it in place and then cut it down the side. For those of you that don't have a table saw, you could do this with a circular saw. You can even do this with a jigsaw. There's other options. Quick tip, make sure you're paying attention to what side you cut because that side's gonna go in against the window. Then you're gonna do the same thing you did to the ledge. You're gonna make sure this one is plumb and flush with the side of the drywall so everything looks smooth. Now that you finished your hard part, it's on to the easy part, framing out the window. You're gonna cut out all the pieces, leaving about 1/8 inch for reveal. Now here's where things get crazy. I'm gonna cut down 2.25 inch pieces. It's always these little details that give it a little something something. Once you got that piece up, you're gonna put a 1x4 right on top and then a cap piece on the very top that looks just like this. So you're gonna have 3 little lips from the ledge, the cap piece, and the other little fillet piece. All the boards will be aligned on the outside and the cap pieces are the only thing that's gonna be sticking out. Then you're gonna add a little caulky caulk and dab in a little wood filler and you're ready for paint. Now that's what I'm talking about for an easy update.